PIXPA versus Shopify, which one is better? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of PIXPA and Shopify. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Let's start with PIXPA. PIXPA is a website builder tailored especially for creatives like photographers, artists, and designers. It offers beautiful, customizable templates that focus on showcasing portfolios and selling products online. PIXPA includes built-in tools for client galleries, blogging, and e-commerce all in one platform. It's easy to use with drag and drop features, and pricing is affordable starting at around $10 per month. However, PIXPA is limited in terms of scalability and advanced e-commerce features compared to bigger platforms. It may not be the best choice if you want a large online store or complex integrations. Now, let's talk about Shopify. Shopify is a powerful and widely used e-commerce platform built for businesses of all sizes. It offers extensive customization, a huge app marketplace, multiple payment gateways, and advanced tools for marketing, SEO, and inventory management. Shopify is scalable and can handle large stores with thousands of products. The downside is the pricing, which starts at $39 per month plus transaction fees if you don't use Shopify payments. It can also be more complex for beginners to set up compared to PIXPA. So that's basically the main differences are between PIXPA and Shopify, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.